everyone! Today I want to make a simple, quick and delicious breakfast. If you like it, make sure to try it and share your comments with me. First of all, whisk one egg in a bowl until it is smooth and uniform. Next, dip 1 or 2 small slices of toast into the egg. Just remember to use 1 slice of toast per person. Melt some butter in a frying pan and lightly fry one side of the toast. Then, place a slice of ham on the fried side of the toast, followed by a slice of cheddar cheese. Sprinkle some pizza cheese on top of the cheddar. Place this combination back into the pan with the melted butter. Put the lid on, let the cheese melt over very low heat. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat and enjoy your meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe.